What's up, people? Today I'm going to show you how to download video clips from your Blackvue Dashcam right to your smartphone. It's super easy. First thing you need to do is turn the Wi-Fi on the Dashcam. On the side of the camera, there's a little button. You want to press that. The Dashcam is going to announce that the Wi-Fi is on. Give it a few seconds. I'm going to start a screen recording so you guys and girls can follow along on the left-hand side. Okay, next, you want to open up your settings and connect to that Wi-Fi signal. We're going to select the Blackvue 750. Wait for it to connect. The camera's going to announce that it's connected. Then we're going to go to our Blackvue app. When you open your app, you're going to get 4 selections there: cloud, Wi-Fi, battery, and internal memory. Click on Wi-Fi. The camera is going to show you a list of all the clips that it saved from your front and rear camera, or if you only have a front-facing camera, all the clips from that Blackvue Dashcam. Scroll through, decide which one you want to pick. We're going to choose the first one for this demonstration. Next, it's going to ask you if you want to stream it back in low resolution or the original file. Low resolution for a quick playback. Original file may take a little bit longer, but for this demonstration, we're going to go with original file. Click OK. And in the upper right-hand corner, you want to press that button, that file button, and it'll download the clip to your internal memory, to the app's internal memory. So you're going to wait for that to download. Once that clip is finished downloading, click OK. Now you want to go and download that video clip from the internal memory of the app to your camera roll. In the top left-hand corner where it says Blackvue, click those 3 lines. Now select Home. You're back to the same screen you started at. Cloud, Wi-Fi, battery, internal memory. Click on internal memory. There's the clip you just downloaded. You can click on it and view it, or you can download it right to your phone. So to the far right, there are 3 little dots. You can press those 3 little dots, and it's going to give you a couple of choices: rename, move, copy, share, and delete. We are going to click share. Next, we're going to click Save Video, and that's it. It is saved to your camera roll. In order to get rid of this extra copy that's in the Blackvue app's internal memory, click on the little check mark at the top right-hand corner and select the box. Bottom left-hand corner, click Delete. Again, confirm delete by clicking on Delete. That's it. Now your copy of the clip that you wanted is in your camera roll, and you don't have an extra copy taking up space in the Blackvue app. Click OK. Go back to the top left-hand corner where the 3 little lines are next to internal memory. Click that. Click Home, and you are back to the home screen. That is it. That's how easy it is. If you have any questions for me, shoot me a message below. Any questions about using your app, using your Dashcam, anything that I can answer for you, shoot me a message down here. If I don't answer right away, head on over to our Instagram page, same name, send me a direct message and I can answer questions quicker for you over there. Last but not least, before you go, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit the little bell notification down here if you would, click subscribe, and you guys and girls all be safe. That's it. I'm out.